Hi, in this video, I will teach you how to use the AeroDump NG to display all the AP or network or access point within your area. But to do that, you should need, you should have a wireless adapter that supports monitor mode. In the previous video, I show you how to change the mode of the wireless adapter from manage to monitor. So if you haven't checked that yet, please do so. In here, we will just check if our adapter is in monitor mode. To do that, you can do the command iwconfig. So as you can see, my WLAN 0 is in monitor mode. Now, since it is in monitor mode, then we can use AeroDump ng. To do that, we have sudo AeroDump ng and the interface which is LAN 0. Okay, so it will discover different APs and we are only going to do something to our network, not somebody else's network because we don't have any permission to do so. Now, if the target AP is already listed there, then you can quit this process. We are only going to target this one because this is our network. Now this is the BSS ID and this is the channel where it is broadcasting and this is the encryption. Now in order to capture the handshake between the device and the AP on that particular AP, we have to use the command airdump ng again, but we will specify the MAC address of the AP. So this is how we will do this. AeroDump ng dash BSS ID, then the BSS ID, dash channel, then the channel. And since we are going to store the handshake in a file, then we will use this parameter dash W, then the file name, and then the interface. So you can copy this one. Here, and you copy this one. Here, and the channel is 10. And the file name, you can do any file name. Let's just say handshake. And then the interface, which is WLAN 0. Okay, now we have here the access point and there is no device connected to it yet. If there's a device connected, then it will be shown here. So what we're going to do is I have my phone here and I will connect to that access point. Okay, so we see here this 424500BFDDAA is my phone. So it is now connected. This is another device. Now, you notice I connected my phone to the AP, but the handshake wasn't captured. That's normal because sometimes the adapter will not be able to capture, and sometimes we even have while doing this, the WLAN 0 or the adapter will also have an error. And if there's an error, it will be displayed here. And if the handshake is also captured, it will be displayed here. Now, there is another command that will force the device, let's say my phone, to be disconnected from the AP. And once it is disconnected, it will try to reconnect. And during the reconnection, there's a chance that AirDump NG will be able to capture the handshake. So how to do that? Okay, first I will split this. Okay, the command is this one: sudo airplay ng deauth, meaning the authenticate. Now this number, you can put smaller number or bigger number, but for bigger number it means that you will be authenticating the de-authenticating the device continuously for a longer time. Then dash A, then you will put the BSS ID. Then dash C, you will put the device ID and then the interface. Now let's go back here. As you can see, the interface WLAN 0 is down. As I said earlier, sometimes this happens. So what you are going to do is you will just cancel and then you can run it again. Now let's go back to this one. So what we are going to do is we will try to disconnect the, the device. Place it here. Okay, so BSS ID, that's D8, D8, 66, 58, D5, 90, and the device ID 42, 45, 00, BF, DD, A4. Then the interface WLAN 0. So when we do this, AeroPlay will give the authentication command, and you cannot see it here, but the internet, the AP connection in my cell phone it is being disconnected and then reconnected it again. Now during this process, connecting, reconnecting, AeroDump will sometimes be able to capture the handshake. You will just have patience. Okay, the handshake is there. Gotcha. You can cancel all the processes and then you have the handshake. So where does the handshake being saved? Go here in the home, and since we already did some of handshaking, so we have here our latest handshake 02.cap. We will use in the next video. I will show you how to crack this using the aircrack NG.